Sis, you deserve glowy skin this 2026. Here are some of my favorite body oils that give that moisturized, super glowy skin without looking greasy, of course. And some of them smell so good, so delish. They are just the perfect layering combos for your fragrances. I also have some fragrance options in here for each body oil. So let's just get the video started. I'm excited to have you here today. So the first one in here is from R&R Skincare. I actually ordered this in February. I think I showed you guys. Yes, I showed you guys in the haul in February. This brand, I found out about them on Instagram. She's a Ghanaian American. They're based in Atlanta. And her skincare brand is based on shea butter. So she uses shea butter in all her skincare products. So shea butter is very moisturizing on my skin. I love shea butter. So just in case you don't like shea butter. So this is a shea body oil, but it's lemongrass. Okay, if you don't like lemongrass, you're probably not gonna like it. This is very fresh, very citrusy, very clean, very summery. I love the greenness of lemongrass. And one of the best fragrances I have layered this with is Angelique Noire. Angelique Noire is also a green vanilla. That Angelica just gives that greenness to this fragrance. It's also a little bit spicy to my nose. It's not syrupy sweet. It's just slightly sweet. And this, say, perfect combination in here. Okay, I think the body oil just pulls that greenness of Angelica so well that it lasts so long on my skin. It smells also very unique because that Angelica and lemongrass, it just does something to this fragrance that I enjoy so much. Another fragrance that I would layer this with is Valaya. Okay, Valaya is a musky citrus scent. Outer it is very beast mode, very fresh, very clean. And this is a lemongrass scent, but it's also citrusy. Lemongrass to me smells very citrusy but green. So this adds more citrus to the fragrance, a unique kind of greenness to this fragrance, because this is not green at all. This is more like clean, fresh, you know, but this combination just eats. Okay, this is a compliment magnet in here. I wore this the other day and people were complimenting me. Okay, like I had a lot of compliments that day. I think 2 or 3 compliments. So Valaya already is one of my compliments getter fragrance. So this is the combo 8. Okay, so lemongrass and Valaya. So this is lemongrass, shea oil, and Valaya. Perfecto. For this body oil, I also got the fragrance free one. So if you don't like fragrances in your body oil, or you are using fragrance combination that you don't need any other fragrances added, I would say just get the fragrance free one. My children love this so much on their skin. I use it on my kids. And my husband also have tried this several times. He also likes it. This one, I use it most times when I'm wearing like strong fragrances and I just don't need any interruption. Okay, these fragrances are main character fragrances that they just don't need any help. They don't need any combination. They need nothing. I just want my skin moisturized and glowy. I pull for the fragrance free shea oil. It's so, I don't know. Can you see my skin, babes? Can you see my skin? Yeah, this is what this fragrance, this is what this body oil does to my skin. It's just very moisturizing, like deeply moisturizing. It just looks like I have been bathing, okay, in body oils. Anyways, this is the R&R Skin Shea Body Oil. This is the fragrance-free one, and this is the lemongrass. I love them both actually equally. So just for different, reasons and seasons. The next one I want to show you guys in here is Rouzie. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's one of my fragrance girly here too on YouTube. She launched a brand, I think sometimes last year. I don't remember, but sometimes last year she had a pop-up here in Houston, Texas. So I met with her and a pop-up shop and I had to get this one. This is Costa Prive. This is, oh my goodness, guys, this is such a luxurious body oil. It's more of the high-end niche category body oil, but it smells so good. This is more tropical to my nose. It has passion fruit, I think mango. I get the passion fruit so much. excuse me, I get the passion fruit so much on my skin with the mango. It's very, I would say, fruity, very summery. It also gives that vacation vibe, and these last so long, guys. The smell. Sometimes I just wear the body oil and people think I'm wearing fragrances. This is strong, strong, okay? This is beast mode fruity body oil. It's so luxurious smelling. It's niche quality, I would say. So this, when I wear it, sometimes I layer with other fruity fragrances. So this is another beast mode one that if I just want attention, okay? If I want somebody to say something, like I want you to compliment me, this combo, this is a musky fruit basket fragrance. It's very delicious, very sweet, very beast mode. It's very scritchy to my nose too. You guys know my issue with scritchy fragrances. It's a love or hate relationship, okay? But this is Erba Pura, by the way, by Zejoff, in case you don't know what I'm holding. Erba Pura by Zejoff, very musky, fruity fragrance. So I think the fruitiness just amplifies with this combination so much, and it's so delish. Lasts so long, guys. I'm talking about 12 plus hours. 12 plus hours. Another one I have tried this Costa Prive with is Born Number 9 Greenwich Village. This is another fruity floral fragrance that is also musky, very summery, because I think this oil for me is giving vacation, okay? It's giving summer somewhere on the island somewhere. So this one is just a perfect vacation fragrance, very summery, very girly pop. It's so delicious, the combination. I think the oil actually pulls the fruitiness of this fragrance instead of the floral notes in here. Like I get more fruitiness when I combine this together. Another one I have worn this body oil with is Zejoff La Capitale. You guys know, like, this is my date night bop. This fragrance has my husband on chokehold. Okay, I'm telling you, it has my husband on chokehold. This is a fruity caramel, has this hint of leather note in here. It has strawberry. Oh my god, guys, I wish you could smell it. Can you smell it right now? Come closer, come. This is so delicious smelling, okay? On my skin, it's just very sexy. This one I only wear on date night. I don't know, I'm talking so fast today. It's just a matcha, okay? Bear with me. I'm caffeinated, but I love this one so much. It's just very sexy on my skin. I don't know if it's a fragrance or sometimes what it brings out from me, because when I wear this, I'm just feeling very sexy. Okay, it's giving sexylicious. And this combo, delicious. And this fragrance oil just lasts so long on my skin. It just keeps me glowing and moisturized, and I love this combination so much for date night. Okay, the next fragrance I got from Rouzie, because I got two fragrances at our pop-up here in Houston, is Rose Mystere or Mystere. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This one is a deeper rose. To me, it's even dark. It's a dark, sexy rose fragrance with a little bit of wood, I think. Yeah, there's some smokiness in here, some woods in here. It smells very deep and sexy. If you like rose fragrances, but in a more like luxurious, dark, deep way, this one is it, okay? And it lasts so long. Most times I only wear the body oil, okay? It's so strong. It just reminds me of Portrait of a Lady. It gives that vibe. Yeah, I think I told her at the pop-up shop, I said this is just giving Portrait of a Lady vibe. So I always wear this together. Is a killer, okay? This scent together is strong. Portrait of a Lady is a smoky dark rose fragrance. Rose with incense. It's delicious. It's beast mode. It's femme fatale. That's just the energy of this combination, okay? It just pulls that rose, that deepness. Sexy. Very sexy, very femme fatale. And the body oils, guys, is so lightweight yet very long lasting. I don't know how she did it. You can see how it just goes on my skin. Trust me, I'm gonna be smelling of this all day long. All day long. It's so strong. And look at this. It goes really, really smooth on my skin. Really, really smooth. I love it so, so much. So this is another one from our brand that I actually layer with Portrait of a Lady. Another one I've also tried Rose Mystere with is Guidance. Okay, this one, I'm talking about statement maker. Okay, she's the center of attention. She wants all eyes on her. She wants to be questioned. She wants to be looked at. She wants to be gossiped about. That's the energy of this combination. It's so delish. Oh my goodness. Guidance 46 in here is a woody rose fragrance with some pear, with some hazelnut in here. It's creamy. That sandalwood, akigala wood on my skin is just sexy, okay? And it's also very creamy. Sometimes even goes into that lactonic creaminess that I enjoy this one so much. It's such a, she's just that girl for me. Very sexy, very, very sexy. And if you want to take that sexiness up a notch a little bit, yeah, this combination would eat every time for me. Compliment magnet. Another rose fragrance that I have layered this body oil with is Atomic Rose. This is another sexy jammy rose. It's very jammy. I can see like it's syrupy. The way I picture this fragrance is syrupy. It's jammy, yet very mature, very sexy, very giving a little bit of femme fatale. Okay, she's grown. Okay, she's very grown, very sexy, and it lasts so long. This is Initial Atomic Rose with Rose Mystere by Rouzie. Very, very delicious combination. The next body oil in here is EOS Vanilla Cashmere body oil. If you're a vanilla girly, okay, you need to add this body oil to your body care routine. This is very moisturizing without being greasy, of course. We don't like to be greasy. We just like to be moisturized. We like to be glowing, but not greasy. This one smells very, very sweet and creamy, but it's not overwhelming. I wouldn't say, like, it just takes the backbone of your fragrance combination. So if you just want to add maybe a little bit more vanilla, you can always add this body oil to your fragrances. One of my favorite this summer, this season, is La Belle by Jean Paul Gaultier and EOS body oil. This is a vanilla fragrance, but it's pear. It's very summery, very flirtatious. This to me just gives sexy date night fragrance, but during the daytime. Okay, she's just flirtatious. She's a sexy daytime lady. If I'm going for brunch, if I just want to be whimsical, this combination eats so much. I get a lot of compliment. The pear notes in here, oh my god, delicious. I would always have this in my collection. I love it so, so much. And yeah, she's just very whimsical to me, very whimsy. And this combination just pulls that vanilla even more. It's sweeter, it's creamier, it's more delicious. Like, what's there not to love, honestly? Another one in here is Libre by YSL. This is the intense version. This one has that added vanilla for that sweetness in here. But if I still want to do more, if I want to be extra, you can never go wrong with more vanilla, honestly. But yeah, this combination, it's so, so much. This is a lavender vanilla fragrance that just gives sexiness. It's seductive, yet very, I would say very boss babe. Yeah, boss babe. Another one I would add to EOS Vanilla Cashmere is Kayali Vanilla 28. This one doesn't last on my skin. I call this vanilla very basic. Yeah. Very basic vanilla that can be used to layer up with any of your other vanilla fragrances if you just want to pull for that vanilla scent. But if I just want to wear this by itself, maybe for bedtime, evening time, winding down time, EOS Vanilla Cashmere on my skin, and this one, it's giving something. It's giving like, oh, you're delicious. I just want to eat you up. Yes. And if you don't like fragrances in your body oil, but you still want to be moisturized, you want to be glowy, see, Aveeno will just do that for you. This is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Oil Mist. I love this one just because of the way it applies. I don't know. There's something about the way it sprays on my skin that I enjoy so much. This is one body oil that I've been using for a long time. Okay, it just gives that summer glow on my skin. It's like, oh yeah, she's well moisturized. Okay, and when you have a well moisturized skin, your fragrances last longer. So remember that, always moisturize your skin. So let your fragrance sit on something, okay? It needs to just sit on something, not on dry, ashy skin, okay? And the last one I have for you guys in here is Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Gel Oil. You can never go wrong with this one, okay? It's summertime, baby. You deserve to be glowing. This one I layer with any fragrance, okay? It's fragrance. I don't really get the fragrance in this. I know it has just a tiny bit of fragrance, okay, but it doesn't do anything. It just keeps your skin glowing and moisturized, and it lasts so long and gives the smooth effect that is so delish. It's just very smooth, but the only thing is that you have to let it sit on your skin, let it dry a little bit before putting on your clothes, because it's going to transfer. House is going to transfer, okay? But it's so good. You can always layer any fragrances with this body oil. That's why I like some fragrance free body oils in my collection, like this 3 I have that are fragrance free, because you can always layer with any fragrance, anything, okay? As long as you're moisturized, your fragrances are going to last longer. So those are the body oils I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. I'm gonna just write the names of all the body oils I mentioned in my description box, just in case you want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.